When we talk about tissue paper mills, one of the most technologically advanced, modern, and expansive paper mill, set over 27,000 square meters, Star Paper Mill is a renowned name in the industry. Located in ICAD, in the growing modern city of Abu Dhabi in UAE. Manufacturing paper products to multiple specifications meeting GCC, European, and other international standard organizations' requirements. With our management and sales offices located in Sharjah, closer to our clients. Our Crescent former machine from Recard SPA in Italy, equipped with the latest technology, White Nipco Flex Shoe Press. With a decal size of 3.6 meters, having 2 rewinders allows us to rewind up to 4 plies, achieve more softness in the paper and higher bulk, and optimize our annual production capacity to 36,000 tons of world-class, prime-quality virgin tissue paper. Ever since 2019, we have won the confidence of many clients around the world, especially in the Middle Eastern countries such as UAE and Saudi Arabia, amongst others, Africa, United Kingdom, United States, to name a few, who have become loyal to our product, quality, and exceptional customer service. Star Paper Mill is a socially responsible organization, as we source the best quality pulp, mainly from FSC certified suppliers, produce hygienic and safe tissues, and ensure the appropriate usage of water in our manufacturing processes, in addition to recycling the water we use, keeping our society and our clients' needs both at top priority. This is further determined by the numerous certifications we have to our credit: ISO 9001-2015, FSC, HACCP, and ECOS food contract certificates. We are the pioneers in the Middle East to produce the delicate 12.5 GSM paper. Our range extends all the way to the most durable grade at 42 GSM, including facial tissues, toilet tissues, kitchen towels, napkins, maxi, hand towels, and many more types, all produced from 100% virgin pulp. In addition to these, our specialty lies in adding value to our clients' requirements as we manufacture low GSM facial tissues, ultra soft and smooth tissues, multicolor printable white napkins, and very high wet strength towels. All this is possible because we lay emphasis on sourcing the best raw materials, the finest pulp, chemicals, and other materials from the UAE, USA, Canada, Brazil, Sweden, Finland, Italy, France, and other countries, followed by rigorous testing on site to ensure all materials placed within our strict international quality control guidelines. Once raw materials are in place, then starts the critical production phase, which progresses in 3 phases: preparing the stock, paper making, and rewinding. Soft and hardwood virgin pulps are first mixed with water in the pulper, and after it is refined and cleaned, it is moved into a series of intermediate tanks, where they are mixed in a ratio in the blending tank, and with other chemicals that define the finished product's strength, brightness, softness, shade, and thickness. Post-blending, it is pumped to the machine chest, followed by cleaners where all impurities are removed. After cleaning the pulp, it is screened and driven to the head box, where the water is drained from the fiber mix by passing it through wire, felt, and Yankee. Finally, the dry paper emerges, and jumbo reels are produced. Through the last phase, between the Yankee and Pope reel, the paper is scanned by the quality control system that measures and regulates the GSM and moisture of the sheet automatically to ensure it meets the desired quality. In addition, each reel is further examined in the Quality Control Lab, conducting testing procedures set out by international governing bodies like ASTM, TAPI, and SCAN, to make sure that the paper meets the prescribed specifications of tensile strength, thickness, brightness, and more. The master reels are taken to the rewinder machine for conversion to be rewound in 1, 2, 3, or 4 plies, depending on the client's specifications. In the case of facial tissues, they undergo an additional process of calendaring to ensure the smoothness and softness is optimized. The paper is now in the final stage of production, where it is cut and rewound into the required size of the jumbo rolls after which samples are again examined at the Quality Control Lab to accept those that meet the standards and reject the non-qualified reels. The jumbo reels are then weighed, wrapped, and labeled to be shifted to the warehouse, from where they are distributed to tissue converting units worldwide. A major credit of our success and where we stand today goes to the wise leadership of the UAE and the Abu Dhabi local authorities for providing a safe and round-the-clock facility to run our manufacturing mill, ease of importing raw materials, exporting finished product and logistical support, uninterrupted supply of electricity, water, and natural gas, along with continuous support from so many government bodies in the UAE, such as the Industrial Development Board, Abu Dhabi Ports, Ministry of Industry, Ministry of Economy, and the Abu Dhabi Municipality. Star Paper Mill has become a prominent name in very less time as our success is laid on a very strong foundation. Our core values, remarkable and round-the-clock customer service, always placing our clients first, recognizing their wish list, and individually designing bespoke products for them with exceptional commitment levels that match no other in the industry.